What's up, y'all? Welcome to another vlog. If it is your first time on my channel, my name is Tamika, and on this channel I do YouTube advice videos, motherhood contents, and right now we're doing a photo shoot. So I'm just showing you guys how you can do a photo shoot at home for free / cheap. You don't need nothing extra. You can use your phone. I use my phone, but I have a DSLR, so I just use my DSLR. So I just use my camera. But of course, the phone nowadays, the quality is just as good, so you can use your phone. You're not missing out on anything, trust me. So anyways, so Elijah is 4 months, so we're doing his 4-month photo shoot, and I told you guys that I would turn this into a series where I'll do his photo shoot every month and until he's 1 year old, until that grand 1 year photo shoot / birthday party. I don't know what's gonna happen yet, but we'll see. So here we are today. We're doing another one. So guys, yesterday we had a really big snow. It was the first snow of the year, and they say it was the first one for the past 3 years too. So I live in Washington DC, so I'm in the DMV area, and we got about 4 inches. But yesterday when it was fresh, because yesterday it was powdery, you know, that nice powdery snow, that was the perfect one. And I was planning on going outside, you know, life happened, changed my mind, I didn't make it outside, fine. So I decided that I wanted to go out there today to start the photo shoot out there, where I'm going to like let the baby, I wanted him to, you know, touch the ice, see what it feels like, and I wanted a picture of him in the snow. So that was a fail. So I got the brilliant idea of doing the photo shoot outside in the snow. The reason why it failed is because, number one, it's not snow anymore, it's now ice. I fell 2 times. I wish I caught that on camera when I fell. Yes, I bust my ass. But then, because I'm so terrible at remembering dates, I had another brilliant idea. I used a strawberry syrup to write in the snow the date. That's another fail, because it's now ice, it just keeps melting. So I'm inside now, but I can turn around the camera and show. That's my, hold on, let me open this too. So that's my date right there. That's my date. You know, look like I was trying to write mag. So that should be 01/31/2021. But as I say, it was a fail. So we're now doing the regular inside photo shoot. But no, it was just icy out there. It's cold, it's slippery, and as I say, I fell twice. Thank God I did not have the baby. Shamoy had the baby, my daughter had the baby, so thank you, Jesus. But yeah, so that was a fail. So anyways, so right now we are going to do the photo shoot as we should have inside. So I'm just gonna get him ready and get the show on the road. Oh, and by the way, as I said, if it is your first time here, I'm happy to have you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more contents like this one, and hit the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. So guys, for this photo shoot, I'm gonna have him wear this cute little outfit that my cousin up in Baltimore, not Baltimore, what am I saying? Our cousin up in Maryland bought for him for Christmas. I don't know, she's a really good shopper. I like it when she shops for us. She's a really good shopper. Anyways, I love it. So it's this little cute little gray pants, and then this is the undershirt. So it's just a white undershirt, and then this little cute jacket with a panda face on it. So you'll see when I put it on. It's cute. And then these little shoes that Papa Bear bought. So Papa Bear bought him these little white shoes. So I think he's gonna be dope. So yeah, we're gonna get him dressed and take some pics. These little photo shoot that I do is just like inspiration, so you can see how you can do yours at home, what you can use for props, stuff like that. So I'm not going to call myself a professional, but I can say that I have the knowledge. I do a lot of research. That's all I do, research. My life is research. So I have the knowledge of how it's done, what to do. So I'm just hoping that I can inspire somebody to do the same. Memories for the future. Why the hell not? Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. We got some good shots. You know what I did forget? I did forget to use is a 4-month card. So whenever I'm editing, I'm gonna have to incorporate words. As I say, God bless my memory, but I'm gonna have to put words in it so that I can remember that it was his 4 months photo shoot. So that's how it's done. Of course, I know each shot I take, I'm gonna insert the pictures so you'll see. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next month right here, same time, for the next photo shoot, 5-month photo shoot. Stay tuned. Each month I'm gonna be showing you how to use different props, how to take pictures. Is all about angles, all about different angles, and all about the props. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys here next month. Until then, take care. Remember to subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Say bye. Come say bye. Come say bye. Tell him bye. TJ, look. TJ. You're not looking. TJ. Water mode. Yes, look at that. That's an ugly system. Learn one new tongue action. Oh, by the way, guys, the shoes, I'll link the shoes in the description box. Papa Bear bought it on Amazon. But as for the outfit, as I say, it was a gift, so I don't know where. But I'll definitely link the shoes below. It's a cute white booty for like newborn to 6 months or whatever. Yeah, so it's cute. So bye guys. Tell him bye. Say bye. Yes, bye. What are you doing? Say bye.
Let's go in the house, please. This is why I said we should have gone after, because it has more batteries now. Okay. Okay, Jesus, Mom, let's go. Let's go in, please. I don't know, Mom, but we're cold. It's cold. Mom, please. Okay, I'm